Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing my encounter with the egg diet, a 3-day plan. Centered around low-carb, high-protein consumption aimed at rapid weight loss. The concept behind the egg diet is that eggs offer complete nutrition, particularly protein and healthy fats, essential for satiety and fat burning. The regimen incorporates lean proteins like chicken, fish, and cheese, along with low-carb vegetables such as spinach, broccoli, and asparagus. Starchy and sugary foods are excluded for 3 days due to the diet's restrictive and low-calorie nature. However, the egg diet is not a sustainable solution for long-term weight loss or health, potentially leading to side effects like headaches, fatigue, and constipation. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before attempting such diets. I followed a sample menu found online for my egg diet experience. Day 1. Breakfast: 2 boiled eggs, half a grapefruit, and a cup of black coffee or tea. Lunch: baked fish, steamed broccoli, and a cup of water. Dinner: poached chicken breast, steamed mushrooms and spinach, and a cup of water. Day 2. Breakfast: 2 poached eggs, steamed broccoli, and a cup of black coffee or tea. Lunch: sirloin steak, steamed spinach and kale, and a cup of water. Dinner: pork tenderloin, grilled asparagus, and a cup of water. Day 3. Breakfast: 2 scrambled eggs, lean ham, steamed kale, and a cup of black coffee or tea. Lunch: boiled eggs, spinach, chopped mushrooms, and a cup of water. Dinner: steamed fish, asparagus, and a cup of water. While the diet is straightforward, it proved monotonous with a lack of snacks or treats, and hydration was crucial. The initial day was challenging, marked by hunger and irritability. The second day was more manageable, adapting to the diet, and the third day was the easiest, anticipating the end. I did witness a surprising 4-pound weight loss in 3 days, but I acknowledge that it's largely water weight, not sustainable fat loss. The egg diet may serve as a brief motivator, but isn't a lasting, balanced approach. For enduring weight management, a diverse, well-rounded diet with regular exercise, sufficient water intake, and proper rest is essential. In conclusion, view the egg diet as a temporary tool, not a prolonged solution. If sustained weight loss is the goal, opt for a varied diet encompassing fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your diet experiences in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye.